Good evening, everyone. This is Lynn from Paper Peas. Tonight I am contributing to hashtag Flip Through Friday that is hosted by Gwen the Trash Witch. You know, guys, last week I did a flip through and I covered vintage Christmas. I covered the paper pad, I covered the kit, and I hosted a giveaway. We got 2 winners. Yes, I said it, 2 winners, because I decided to pull 2 winners and give 2 pads away. Now, don't fret. Don't fret. With July being my birthday month, I decided that, you know what? Joy is brought about by giving as well. So, every week during the month of July, where we have Christmas in July, every single week that I do hashtag Flip Through Friday, and it will be each week this month, I am going to, at the end of the video, tell you all what item I showcase I'm going to give away. And I'm going to ask you to make a certain comment or do something that will allow me to use the random YouTube comment picker to select a winner. Okay? So let's get started. I am going to cover tonight wintergreen. Why? Because it's beautiful, right? I love the green. I love the gold. I love the foil. We only typically see this pad around Christmas time. Let's cover it really quick. It's a 6x6. They have never, to my knowledge, had a 12x12. If they had, I probably would have tried to snag it by now. In this particular pad, there are, 48 sheets, and then there are 16 different designs. So there are 3 sheets of each design. Let's cover this really quick, and then I'm going to show you a couple of other things, okay? I'm going to go through the back of it this time. This is, to me, one of the most adorable pages. We always see, our little snowflakes, but for years, this has been, I'm going to be candid with you, for years, this has probably been one of my favorite pads because, yes, it has the green, the gold, ecru, or white, and you can pair it off with all of the other colors of Christmas. I really do love this particular page. Okay, here is, look at that. Merry Christmas in gold foil. That is adorable. And one of the reasons I love this, guess what? You can just cut it off, make it some trim, right? This is by far, look at that. That is so pretty. It has, I'm going to be candid, it has a little regal look to it a little bit. Look at it. Isn't it pretty? Oh my gosh. And I know this is not a new pad by any means, but guess what? It's still pretty. I like this. I love this. Is this not adorable? Oh my gosh, is this not adorable? Don't get me wrong, I love all the other colors too, but this is adorable. It's like a simple stated type of elegance, so to speak. I am going to assume these are hollies. For years I knew it was something, but I said to myself, maybe it's just holly. That's what I've said over the years, okay? That's the only other plant, outside of poinsettias, that's really the only plant I can associate with Christmas, right? And like I said last week, and I'm going to say again, if you are a person that does not celebrate Christmas, I completely respect that. I completely respect it. But because the theme for a lot of YouTubers for July is Christmas in July, I am covering Christmas in July with Flip Through Friday. It's cute. This is cute. Adorable. What I like about the 6x6s sometimes, I've used this pad to create like little pockets. I've used it to create little folders, little giveaway folders and things like that during the Christmas holidays. This is beautiful. It's something about that green and that gold and that ecru winter white color that is just, it just has a regal look to it. You know that? Now, I have to be candid with you now. You know, with Christmas in July and us looking upon the upcoming holidays, I said this last week, I'll say it again. It just makes me think about all the things I want to do for Christmas. It's so pretty. Look at that. All the things I want to do for Christmas. All the crafting that I'd like to get accomplished by Christmas. By Christmas. So I can understand, you know, I can understand and respect the concept of Christmas in July. I hadn't started on my Christmas in July crafting, but I have a couple of things that I've, you know, some ideas I've been jotting down. I think this is 1, 2, 3. I have really grown to, I said this last week too, I have really grown to enjoy these Flip Through Fridays. I really have. I hope you guys enjoy them too. This is so cute. This is so adorable. So I'm going to take and close this back up. But, you know, typically we don't see this pad at all until Christmas. I will be really surprised. Really, I'm going to really be surprised if they pull this one out again this year. Because in my mind, like with American Crafts, I'm saying to myself, what? Where are you all? You know, it's not, you know, where are you guys housing all of this stuff? Are you just holding on to it year after year after year, you know? Okay, so I'm going to sit this to the side for a second. So we covered wintergreen, all right? Here is the matching sticker sheet that goes along with it. This sticker sheet is like those pet stickers, but we know they're not. But they're clear. And what I love about these is they have that little gold on them too. Adorable, adorable. Now, I did not get this in this year's Hobby Lobby clearance sale. I got this a few years back. So what I noticed about this is it seems to pair off so well with wintergreen. Just saying, I'm just saying. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover the kit like I did last time with Vintage Christmas. Now, this one doesn't have all the extra ephemera pieces like Vintage Christmas did. Pull this out. It does, however, have the sticker pack. And so, oh, I didn't mean to tear, but okay, this sticker pack. And so this is the set of stickers that comes along with it, along with this set of stickers, because these have autocollants. It has little, you know, little stickers on the back. These have little stickers on the back, okay? So a person could take and use it like this or pull it off and glue it in a little bit. And then these are the stickers that go along with this particular kit. These are adorable. Hold on, I'm trying to make sure I get everything in the screen. Because to be honest with you, because I was covering a 6x6, I pulled it down some, so it's not like a wide screen right now, okay? But this is cute. And then here are the silver numbers and letters. Here are the papers. Once again, like the last kit, these have 2 papers in it. Now, this is not the heaviest cardstock, but the paper is pretty. This is nice, look. So cute. I don't know about you all, but I am really like looking forward to just kind of like decorating a little bit for the holidays. It's hot. I know it's summertime, but it's hot. It just doesn't even really like seem like summer. I don't, you know, everybody's not just out like they used to be. And it's just, I'm ready for the holidays. This is a cute page. It really does to me resemble a little bit like this page, this little page right here in wintergreen. Just a thought, just a thought. Then we've got this sheet. Beautiful for the holidays. And then we have this one. This is adorable. Look at that. So that is the actual kit. I'm going to put this back together. See, like I said, this one, even though it has these autocollants, it doesn't have like the ephemera, like vintage Christmas did. I notice it. You know, it's nice when they, you know, switch up and do different things with different kits, because then people get accustomed, like us, you know, when we do page kits, we switch up and change things out as well. So let me get this back in here really quick. I'm going to put this back in. And something else too. Have you noticed how the price of the page kits has gone up? Like with everything else. So this page kit back then was $6.99. I think the standard page kit now is like $7, $7.99, $8.99, $9.99. But this one back then was $6.99. So we've already covered who our two winners are because I put them on the screen, right? And what I need the two former winners to do is reach out to me, send me an email with your contact information, basically your most preferred mailing address, so that I can get these out in the mail Monday morning. Why do I say Monday morning? Today is July the 3rd. Tomorrow is July the 4th. No mail is running, right? Now, for the giveaway for this week, naturally it's going to be this kit. It will be this additional sticker sheet. And it will be this pad. But wait just one moment. I decided that I would just go ahead and add a set of Project Life shade protectors. Okie dokie. So, in order to be considered for this package, now this week, there will only be one winner. Now, next week, I might switch it up. There may be two winners. There may be three. It just really depends upon the number of people that we have participate. But for this giveaway, there's going to be one person. The keyword to enter is going to be foil. Foil, 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 foil. Everyone, thank you so much for taking the time to tune into Paper Piece. I just absolutely love doing Flip Through Fridays. I really do. I hope you guys have enjoyed this. I hope that you all participate in this giveaway. If you would subscribe, like, share, comment, come back and see me again so that we can continue this hashtag Flip Through Friday along with Christmas in July. I'd greatly appreciate it. Most importantly, you know I want you to take care of yourself, right? See you soon.